We're going to look at some leaf shapes, and then I'm going to take some photos and share it with my class. And I think this would make a nice study because of the contrast between the leaf shapes and then the big fallen log behind it. Assemblage of fallen trees, all pretty much the same color, sort of nice tonal colors, and but really nice sort of geometrical shapes. And then in the background it's all softened by this greenery. Because there are many structures and it is sort of enclosed, filters the light, gives shelter to a lot of different flora and fauna. The area right here is sort of like a passage because it's all leafed over with branches, and it has a lot of that architecture that we talked about, that forest enclosure and environment onto itself. A flash of green as you pass because there's lowland in there, and the grass, the marsh grass, just comes through the trees, and it's a really pretty combination of dark tree trunks and then this flash of beautiful green of the marsh grass. Something that is hard to capture visually is the sound of the forest, which is a really wonderful blanketing silence that's punctuated by bird calls. There's crows in the back, jays, chickadees, cardinals, and it's very calming. I find I've got stuff going on at home and bills to pay and appointments to keep and all different kinds of stuff going on, that coming out here everything kind of goes away, at least for a while, and it's very peaceful and relaxing. Then I can kind of return home feeling edified and relaxed and ready to take on the challenges of the day. It's kind of a nice contrast that the foliage here is so thick, and then here's the path, and then there's a walkway. It introduces a really smooth, very civilized pathway through all of this foliage. This is usually full of water. It's been very dry this season, this spring. So there's grass growing in here instead. It's boggy, but it's not water like it usually is.